Fuck, did someone just die there? What was that?
Aye, someone jumped off the edge.
The Slug Boys! Ah, yay!
I've got a sword now and honor. Brilliant. It's not a lightsaber, but it's a sword. Alright, actually needs ammo for me to shoot it like that now. The sword's a bit shit before the ammo! Fucking hell, man. Oh, I remember this, but this is where he does the cowboy rodeo. Right. And that's how he dies.
He does die there, but he comes back.
Yeah, I completely forgot about this universe. If your ghost is still alive, you basically can't die, really, can you? Couldn't you technically, your ghost though get sicky at one point? Like, wait, I know you can't die now because I'm here with you, but can you stop killing your fucking self?
And starts fucking like flying away.
Doesn't even shoot the gun. See if I can't had one more bullet, he would have died there.
What's happening down there?
He had a bullet in his gun the whole time.
Actually go to 99%. I need one more kill.
Right here. Go ahead.
Right, there we go. Used to it. Beat me out of fucking black lassie. Fucking got a fag hanging up my mouth, man. I can't say that word
right. Does this seed look familiar?
Very. Surprised the guy even got away with this, man. Say, man, I'm expecting me R2D to come around the corner down.
Take the disc.
I meant to be R2D do that wee fucking thing. Fucking beat like it. The music and everything, mate. How the fuck did they actually get away with this? This is fucking meant to be Darth Vader walking through now. It's just...
Surely they had to get a license for this, right?
I know, mate,
they must have paid Disney something.
Waiting so long for this.
The girl.
Who did budget to suck the dick to, man, to fucking get this, honestly?
No, here we go. Here's the bullshit.
It's no bullshit, it's Star Wars.
Fuck. Fucking R2D2, mate, what is this?
Oh fuck, right.
I'm not making that, I'm not making that!
See if I can fucking... Oh!
Yeah.
Almost.
No.
What was that scream?
Something like a hot test something there with that grenade.
Oh, is that the Little Hill scream? Right.
Yeah.
Fucking sound like Chewbacca, to be honest with you, instead of that, mate.
Oh, alright, okay. Oh fuck, I got knocked back. Oh, here comes the walkers, fuck.
Oh, fuck, actually, it's a walker's one.
Alright.
Shit.
Start the engines. Take off as soon as you can.
Stasis is like a freeze thing then.
Aye. It's like darkness.
Big she's light so far, yeah, then.
Tell your new
Aye.
Right. Whoa. She could do that the whole time, why did she not just do that for the start? See, what happened? No. So you literally just coming off the recent ones.
Aye.
And I'm punching a cunt to death, I thought. He's leaving it! My cut's been left. He jumped off. Just sitting there.
I'll play some music for him.
What time it?
Look at that. The actual just like trying to act like lagging NPCs or something. And stop feeding the pigeons.
Oh, you fuck's sake. You ran right into me and Pierre bounced me out the way.
Aye. Oh yeah, fucker. Don't jump down on the belts, mate.
Yeah, see that?
Well, we fighting that big fucking ogre, right?
I guess so.
Oh, you bastard!
Sorry, was that me?
I put my ult down and then the fucking shield like stopped the fucking blades from flying.
Hardcore.
Again! I hate this shit! Fucking out of my way! Who is this random cunt? I almost smacked into him! Why is he doing the floss? Are you actually trying to piss me off?
I got a pistol and that was it.
Got a treasure key. I can fucking open one of the chests. Can this
Asian
cunt stop
rifle.
fucking flossing?
Just like our contestants on tonight's dance.
Take it.
Don't know what about, I guess.
Take it.
We don't need to keep seeing that cunt anymore.
Amendment received best dressed, best dressed. Oh, fucking amazing, I'm amazing, I'm amazing. All it took was fucking 20 quid.
Getting at that, well, because I can't figure it out.
Fuck's sake. The tab all the way to the right where you see your pals. Like, it says map, destinations, and then the friends.
Oh, you see that?
Top right, top right, there's tabs, map, destinations, and there's like a icon with two guys.
I'm on that. It's,
and then there's
there it is,
above-
there, you know. Oh, that was just blind.
Fucking blind bastard. I don't jump
You're
that
not
way.
crossing.
Jump over in this one. Oh no. You've chopped on the wrong
I seen the guy
one.
doing it. I seen the cunt doing it.
Aye, but on the other side.
I didn't realise.
Fuck's sake.
I'm jumping this direction. You see that, right?
Right.
Right, I'm aiming for that one there. Game! Game! Oh,
He did that on purpose, the cunt.
good thing I was now right there. Oh well, right.
But I never remember this. I don't remember this. He's doing something different. Oh, he's doing that fucking challenge, isn't he?
What?
Right. He's doing the challenge for his lightsaber. Oh, I would go up here. Through this. Oh, fucking fucker, fuck.
Jeff,
Get the fuck. Where am I? Wait.
with the thing on it.
What the fuck? What, did you run out of time, you wee shite? Looks like you done yet? Can you get up there on time?
I don't know, did I?
Well, you got 1 second. We're about to be teleported back. He fucking left!
I'm messaging this cunt.
Absolute freak. Fucking hell, I'm pouring out my rum, fuck's sake.
Oh, I've sent her a message saying freak behaviour. Local chat.
Do we even
visible.
want that cunt in the video? Do we want to
One
expose this
channel,
bastard?
Aye, I fucking mad, fuck him.
Right, fucking, I'll keep it.
Should we take a wee pose for the big man, Lewis? Take a picture and send him it? Well, you're missing it, big man. Yeah, make some rest, guys.
Fucking, right.
Take the photos.
Right.
Oh, I should just slide down a hole in this game. Honestly,
I seen
did you see that?
I seen you sliding your fucking stope.
Oh, fucking hell. You drink.
You need to learn how to fucking dig weed.
I can take my weed, I've just smoked a lot.
Fucking choking on it every time you smoke it. Did you start the mission now?
Aye.
Yeah.
Are you doing something, sorry?
No. Just making sure we're fucking not leaving the planet to go back into the same place we were. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Like, he's trying to call his fucking cat every time.
Fucking these ghosts trying to give you advice and he's like, shut up mate, I'm the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Exactly.
Fucking... fucking kill
The fuck
myself.
after you. And bang, I'm down.
Aramis met Praxis in prison. Yes.
Yes. Does it say eternity, Europa? We're not in Europa at all.
We're on Europa, this is the planet.
I'm hanging Europe.
What the fuck?
Shut up.
Oh, you fucker.
Aye. That's what you get for fucking doing that to me and almost killing me, you dick.
What have I
Well,
done?
just there. It was just before, mate. You say if I slowness me, moves was mid-there. I always feel my death.
Why is that cunt pure glitching in there? Have you seen that?
But that's not why I keep.
What the fuck? What is he doing?
God has been watching me on this.
He's
Yeah,
fixed
you know.
this. He's alright now. But if I back
Oh,
up,
see him?
back up a wee bit and he starts like spinning.
What the fuck?
I'm just like watching him fucking spin in a circle. And the thing that's going through my head is blah, 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 blah.
Aye, pretty much.